Develop comfort navigating the home page and My Courses widget in Brightspace learning environment. This tutorial shows how to navigate and customize the home page and My Courses widget. To update your home page layout, navigate to the course from the My Courses widget or the course selector. Then, click Course Admin and Home Pages. Click the active home page to edit it. Then, navigate to the Layout section and click Change Layout to update your course homepage if desired. D2L recommends using a 2-panel homepage to ensure content remains responsive. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Click My Home to return to your homepage. The My Courses widget provides a visual representation of your course offerings. All courses display a default image assigned from the curated image library. You can select an image that is more representative of the course from the library provided by D2L, or add your own image for the course tile. To change the default image from the My Courses widget, hover over the course image and select the More Options menu. If you are using assistive technology or keyboard-only navigation, press Tab to access the More Options button and press Enter to view the menu items. Select Change Image. Note: if this option is not available to you, contact your Brightspace administrator. Search or browse the list of available images, then hover over the image you want to use, and click Use this image. If you are using assistive technology or keyboard-only navigation, press Enter to select the image. The updated image now appears in the My Courses widget. Pinned courses have a visible pin icon on the course tile. The My Courses widget will display manually pinned courses, followed by current enrollments, then future enrollments if available. My Courses will display 12 course cards. Note: more than 12 courses might appear if they are manually pinned. Develop comfort navigating the homepage and My Courses widget in Brightspace learning environment.